There are only 3 ways to grow your business. There are just 3 ways to grow your business, folks. 1, increase the number of clients you work with. 2, increase the average order value. And 3, increase the number of times that person spends with you. Those 3 things are the only 3 ways you can grow a business. Now, what's interesting about this equation is that if you increase the number of clients by 33% and you increase the average spend by 33% and you increase the number of times they spend with you 33%, a very strange anomaly happens. You don't increase your business by 33%. You actually increase your turnover by 100%. Interesting numbers to reflect on. The more I dig into numbers and tracking, the more interesting running a business becomes, because sometimes just small percentage point increases can have a dramatic effect on your bottom line. So remember, only 3 ways to grow your business.